Good morning, students. Today's test solutions. First question: an electric dipole has a magnitude of the charge as Q, and its dipole moment is P. It is placed in a uniform electric field E. The dipole moment, if its dipole moment is along the direction of the field, the force on it and the potential energy on a potential energy are respectively. Okay. Force, uniform field, force on two charges are equal. So net force is 0. Here, see first question. If you take electric field in this direction, E, if you take the dipole, this is negative charge, this is positive charge. Dipole moment at negative to positive. Right? Force on this. Clear? And force on this. This is positive charge, this is negative charge. Equal forces act in opposite direction. The net force is 0. F net is equal to 0. They ask the potential energy. Potential energy formula is what? U is equal to minus PE cos theta. What is the angle between dipole moment P and E? Both are parallel, theta is equal to 0. So U is equal to minus PE cos 0, 1. So minimum. If you get positive, then maximum. Next, the pair of particles which experience same force in uniform electric field. Then you have a combination of the charges. So what they are asking, the pair of particles which experience the same force. So force F is equal to EQ. E is same for all. So it's all depend on Q. If Q is same, force is same. For which particles charge is same? Proton and neutron. Here only one proton is there. 1 1 1 2. Only mass number change, but charge is not changing. So charge same, force is same on two particles, proton and neutron. Next, third one, the important model question. The conducting spheres of radii R1 and R2 respectively are charged and joined by a wire. The ratio of electric fields of the sphere. So they given two spheres, R1 and R2, radii R1 and R2. So first sphere charge you take in Q1, second sphere charge is Q2. Radius first charge is R1 and R2. Electric field ratio E1 by E2. 1 by 4 by epsilon is common, right? So both the cases the first charge and second charge 1 by 4 by epsilon cancel. This you can write Q1 by R1 square, Q2 by R2 square. So this we can write Q1 R2 square by Q2 R1 square. Alright? And they mentioned they connected with wire, connecting wire. This is Q1 and Q2. By connecting wire, what happened? Their potential will become equal. Before connection, V1 and V2. After connecting, what happened? V1 will become, both potentials will be equal. Then in equate, Q1 by R1 is equal to Q2 by R2. 1 by 4 by epsilon, 1 by 4 by epsilon cancel. Clear? Now from this you eliminate, this equation eliminate Q1 Q2. What do you write from this expression? Q1 by Q2 is equal to R1 by R2. Substitute here. R1 by R2 into R2 square by R1 square. 1 R cancel. So the answer is R2 by R1. Next, fourth question. A figure shows the charge Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 fixed in a space. The total flux of the electric field through a closed surface according to Gaussian surface. Total charge enclosed by the Gaussian surface. So how many charges are enclosed by the surface? Two charges, that are Q3 and Q4. And next, a solid sphere of radius R is charged uniformly. At what distance from the surface in the electrostatic potential of the potential at the center? This is also important model question. Fifth one. Not hollow sphere, this is solid sphere. Okay, has a charge Q. Take it radius R. at the center take potential V from the surface at a point where potential will become V by 2. Clear? So they are asking this distance. Okay, if you take it from the center, take it x, and we require this one. Clear? Understand? So first we need to know what is the potential at the center. Potential due to the solid state formula V is equal to K into 3Q by 2R into R square minus X square. This is R cube. Clear? Okay, now if you want center potential, if you want to calculate potential at the center, substitute x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 at this point. Then V will be K3Q by x value 0, R square by R cube, 1 R is there. Okay, this is at the center. They are asking the point from the surface where the potential is off. Off to means off of the potential of the center, right? Now this here you take potential, let us say V is equal to 1 by let us say K Q by X. Clear? So V by 2 is equal to this potential, you take it here, let us say V1. So V1. So V is potential at the center, so this I can write 1 by 2 K 3Q by 2R. What is V1? K Q by X. So KQ cancel, right? Then X you have, this goes this side, this will become 3x is equal to 4R. X is equal to 4R by 3. X is 4R by 3. X we take it from the center, but ask the question from the surface. So total distance is x. From the center to the surface is r. From x you subtract r, you will get this distance. So 4r by 3 minus r. 4r minus 3r by 3. This is r by 2. Clear? So say we have one related question to this. The question number 12. That is they are asking graph, means variation of the potential for a solid sphere. Clear? So it's all according to this formula. See, the graph will comes like this. Okay, remember this formula and remember the graph. Sixth question is direct question. Torque experienced by the dipole. You can directly select the formula. Seventh question. There are three concentric shells having the charge plus Q, 0, plus Q. Now the outer shell connected to the earth. Then so this one, and this has charge plus Q. This is 0. This is plus Q. Okay, then actually A is correct. The inner surface of the middle and the outer shell will have the same charge, because if this is connected to the earth, right? So this is plus means this. Inside it attracting minus Q, same amount of charge will goes here plus Q, and here we have plus Q, this will be minus Q. So this we connected, the outer surface connected to earth, this goes earth. So according to options, first option is correct. Next, 8th one, direct question, draw the field lines for positive and negative combination. Clear. Next, 9th one. What is the area of the plate of 3 farad parallel plate capacitor if the separation between the plates is 5 mm? They are asking area. This is also direct question. C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. They are asking A. A is equal to CD by epsilon naught. C is given 3, D is given 5 mm, 5 into 10 power minus 3, and epsilon naught 8.854 into 10 power minus 12. Solve it, you will get the answer. Direct question.
Okay, next 10th. They given figure plus q and minus q are placed at the vertices of B and C of a isosceles triangle. The potential at A.
So given like this. This is A. What they placed? BC, right? B and C. Here they placed plus q and here they placed minus q. They are asking potential at this point. So you have a potential, two potentials V plus and minus. Due to positive charge, you have a positive potential. Due to negative charge, negative potential. Equal distances, magnitude is equal. You will get 0. Potential is 0. Next level.
3 point charges 1C, 2C, 3C are placed corners of an equilateral triangle of side 1 meter.
Okay. 1, 1, 1. Suppose if you place the first charge, this is 1C. What is the work done? 0. Now you are placing another charge. This is 2C. Work done is stored in the form of a work done. W is equal to K into 1 by 4 pi epsilon K value. So 1 into 2 by distance is 1. Okay, to place this. And we are placing another charge, that is 3C. Work done. Work done against this and work done against this. So W is equal to K into 1 into 3 by 1 plus K into 1 into 2 by 1. Now the total work done stored in the form of energy is K 2 plus 3 plus 2. By 1 is common. So you will get K U is equal to 4 plus 3, 7K.
Now the work done bringing 3 charges on the vertices of similar triangle side 0.5.
Clear? Next, like this. 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Same configuration. Okay? Same interaction. Then what? This is initial. Then this is final. How do you get? K by 0.5. If you take in common, 2 plus 3 plus 2. This is again 7K by 0.5. This is UF. So this UF you can write 14K. So UF minus U initial. You will get the answer. Okay?
And one more combination also we will see.
2 and 3 plus, okay, here I will write. One more combination is missed. This one plus K into 2 into 3, 6 by 1. So W is equal to, then what you get? K is common, 3 plus 2 plus 6. Then you will get 11K. Here it is another combination you will get, that is 6. Not combination, I think I taken wrong. So 2 into 3, 6. So this will be 11. 11 means this is 22. 22. Now final minus initial. 22K minus 11K. Then it is 11K. K value is what? 9 into 10 power 9. So we get the answer. Now
12th already given. Okay. Now 13th one. A charge Q is enclosed by a Gaussian sphere of radius R. If the radius is doubled, the outward flux remains same.
See, this is a Gaussian, let's say, a charge Q. It's enclosed by a Gaussian surface of radius R. Flux formula in phi is equal to epsilon naught by Q. Q by epsilon, right? Now the radius is doubled. Q as it is made it big. Again, 2r radius Gaussian surface encloses the same charge. Flux remains same. Clear?
Next 14, it is direct question, line of force. You can select option C is correct. Next 15, it's a important model question. Charge Q is placed at the each of the opposite corners of a square. A charge small q is placed the other opposite charges. The net force on capital Q is 0. Then they are asking Q by Q is equal.
So you take a square. Opposite charges are same. Q. This small q. Side length is A. So the one capital Q is experienced 0 for net force on Q is 0. F net is equal to 0 on this. Then what they are asking? Q by Q ratio they are asking. Clear? Now all are positive charges. So these two forces are equal charges, equal distances. Then the net force will be, if you take it, this is F, these two forces, the resultant force is 2F. And it experiences another force, this is like this, plus this force you take it as F dash. This will be total force is 0. Here I am making vectors. So when these two are perpendicular, net force is not 2F, it is root 2F. If you follow the resultant formula, A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta under root. Clear? Forces are equal. Okay, F square plus F square. 2F square cos 90 0. So we have a root of F square plus F square, root of 2F square. So root 2F. Okay, then force write down directly. 2 F. Okay, Q by, what is the distance between them? A square plus this force between these two. I am not taking constant because K is common in both cases. So this I can take Q square by distance between them. It's a diagonal length root 2A. Root 2A square is 2A square is equal to 0. Now root 2 capital Q small q by A square is equal to minus Q square by 2A square. A square cancel. 1 Q cancel. These two come to this side. 2 root 2A is equal to, 2 root 2 Q is equal to minus Q. What they are asking? Capital Q by small q. This small q goes this side. Capital Q by small q is equal to minus 2.
Next, the diameter. So they given two rings of radius r separated by a distance d, center to center. They charged plus q, and they are asking potential difference. Okay, this is already our exercise problem question. You just follow that. We explained already. Next, 17th, I think it is repeating. It is the 10th question, 17th question. So it's repeating because in our software we select the 50 questions and this question is repeating. So next time we will take care. Next, 18th question. Two large plates separated by a distance d in a vertical plane connected with a battery. An electron of charge E, mass m, is rest between the plates. Find the potential difference between them. Okay, electron is rest between the plates here. This is E. Okay, separation between them is E. They are asking B. So here two forces will act. One is mg, another one electric force acts up. Electric force formula is equal to E. This is balanced with gravity. Okay, what is the relation electric field and potential? E is equal to V by D. So E V by D is equal to mg. They are asking V. V is equal to mg D by mg D by E. Okay, next. 19. Directly constant pure water is 81. The permittivity will be, okay. Directly constant K is given 81 values. They are asking epsilon of the water. Okay.
then E is equal to K into epsilon naught, direct form. Substitute K value, epsilon naught value, the given answer in terms of 10 power minus 10, you will get the answer. Next, two concentric halo conducting spheres radii R1 and R2 have charges Q1 and Q2 respectively. R1 greater than R2, then the electric field intensity at a distance R between R1 and R2. This is R2. R2 having the charge Q2, and another one R1 having charge Q1. They are asking electric field at this point. This point is outside to the first halosphere and inside to the second halosphere. So inside for the first electric field is 0. For this sphere point is outside, this contribute the electric field here, that is Q2. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 by, what is the distance given? R. So R. Next 21. 21 also common, they ask the line of force. So line of force property is for a conductor, it's enter perpendicular and leaves the perpendicular. In which case lines is entering perpendicular to the sphere that you find out, then you will get that probably option 3. Okay. Next 22, the given potential. Electric potential is given V is equal to 2x square and position also given. Position is given 2, 0, 3 meter. They are asking electric field. Okay, this is x, y, z. Equation is only in x, so we substitute only x value. What is the relation? E is equal to minus dv by dx. Differentiate with respect to x. So d by dx of 2x square, and this will be minus 4x. X value is 2. So minus 8 Newton per Coulomb. If you have Z and Y, then Z and Y substitute. So you need to differentiate with Z, Y and Z and then substitute the values. But we have only with X, so X value is substituted. And 23, the charge on one of 2 micro capacitor and 1 micro capacitor will be 2 and 2 are which combination? The given combination like this, connected back 2 volts. This is 2 microfarad, 2 microfarad and 1 microfarad given. This is series combination, equal capacitors. Then C by 2. C by 2 means already 2 is there, equal. So 2 by 2 is 1. So this is 1 microfarad and 1 microfarad, 1 microfarad and 1 microfarad connected to a battery. Equal capacitor charge will be split into equal. What is that charge? Total charge. Q is equal to, find out and divide. Q is equal to what? CV. Here C effective you find out. Total charge and divide it. Or you can find directly. Parallel combination potential is same. Then capacity is there. So 1 into 2. That is also we can find. Next 24, an electric dipole is placed at an angle 30 degree with electric field intensity 2 into 10 power 5 Newton per Coulomb, experience torque 4 Newton meter, charge on the dipole. Dipole length is given. This is a direct question. Torque given, torque is equal to, what is the formula? PE sin theta. Right? Torque is equal to, P is what? 2Q, 2A, Q. Am I correct? R, Q, 2A, whatever it is, dipole length, E, sin 30. What they are asking Q? Q is equal to tau by 2A, E, sin 30. 2A itself 2 centimeter. Don't take it A as 2 centimeter. 2A itself 2 centimeters. 2 into 10 power minus 2. Substitute we get the answer. Clear? Next 25. What they are asking, 3 charges Q plus Q, 3 charges plus Q, capital Q plus Q are placed at the vertices of a right angle isosceles triangle shown.
electric energy of the configuration 0, then Q will be clear. Very simple.
This they given like this. These two are small q.
This length is given as, take it as, let's say,
A, and this is A, this is capital Q.
they are asking Q value in terms of small q.
Energy, find the first total energy between these two. K, you take it Q square by A plus between these two K small q capital Q by A between these two plus K capital Q small q by, what is the distance? This one, root of A square plus A square. So root 2A. So this is root 2A is equal to